how to use dark mode feature on YouTube. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for many apps, and let's get started. So, by default, and in many cases, YouTube theme is set according to your phone's theme at the current time. So, by default, if your phone theme is light, YouTube is going to be light, and if your phone is in the dark mode, YouTube is going to be in the dark mode. But if that's not your case, or you just want to make YouTube dark mode all times, all you gotta do is go to the upper right here and click on the profile picture, go to settings, and then go to general, and here is the appearance. As you can see here in my case, it's set to be use device theme. We're gonna change it and click on appearance, then click on dark theme. Now, as you can see, YouTube is set to be dark. If you want to get it back into the light theme, just again click on the profile picture, go to settings, and then click on general, appearance, and then use device theme or light theme. If you want to set it to light theme all the time, I want to set it to use the device theme, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. And have a nice day.